is looking like a snack right now. I'm just kidding. Anyways, bro, what's up, guys? Oh fuck. Alright, let me stop because I'm gonna knock everything over. Hey guys, what's up? It's good to see you guys again. It's been a long time, like literally, it's been like 2 years since I've. It's so great to like finally be back. I'm just like, your girl turned 21, you know? Like I have a whole lot of stuff to talk about with you guys, like the like literally like my whole life update. And honestly, I figured since we're all stuck in quarantine anyways, that I might as well just start picking up where I left off. Like, might as well, right? Reach out to you guys, talk to you guys, see what's up, and see if there's anybody I can help out, right? I want to send my love and positivity, to everybody, right? So I just want to make sure everybody's good to go. So let's go ahead and like just jump into it, right? I would say like the last time you guys saw me, I was for sure in college. That's not anymore. Oops, not the case. Got that. So I am no longer in college anymore. I actually decided to make a decision to leave college. I was going at the time to Cal State Dominguez Hills, and don't get me wrong, I was going to school for a computer science major, and I was getting ready to get a minor in graphic designs, right? So I'm super excited for that because you guys, you see this shit. I put this shit up behind me. Like I did that. Now I don't look the best because I ain't got all my equipment, but I did that. Anyways, I just didn't feel like it was a vibe for me anymore. I was just like, this is not really gonna work. And on top of that, like I have been taking programming literally since I got out of high school. So from high school, I graduated and I taken a computer science class. After I had been doing pretty much all programming, I think it was my second year, they had me doing computer science classes that literally had nothing to do with programming. And that just didn't work for me personally. And I honestly didn't do that. Now, as of right now, I am on a leave of absence from school. Now, I'm not saying that I will never go back, but I'm just saying at this point in my life, I just don't want to go ahead and finish school right now. Now, definitely thinking into doing more online classes just because I have a lot of stuff going on right now. But that is an option for later, not right now. I don't want to do that right now. As of right now, I'm actually working with a company. I'm actually working right now with a business that allows me to create my own business. So I'm trying to get all that stuff together so I can, finally run my own business and just do all that stuff. And I'm just super excited for the future. I want to teach people how to run a business, and so that they can be their own boss, just like I want to be my own boss, right? That's just what I want to do. I have a lot of stuff. I just like being an entrepreneur. I like going and doing it. I don't know, just being me. I love just being me and doing what Morgan wants to do and just having Morgan as a boss. And I love being able to help other people and inspiring them. I think that's the word, right? I love inspiring people. So you don't always have to go the way that society wants you to go. And I'm just gonna make that my prime mission, just to prove that and be like, look at me. Not I! It's just kind of been my life for the last couple months. But in between that, I did find love. What? Yeah, we're not together anymore. But we were together for about a year or so. A year and a couple months, actually. It was just a great... Honestly, when we met, like I said, I'll do a story time on this so you can kind of get some background on this whole stuff. But when we met, it was amazing. I love being around him. I love the energy that he provided to me. I'm sure, hopefully, he loved the energy I was providing to him. But not everything lasts forever, right? So that happened. I've gone through a lot of personal growth. Just maturing. I would say definitely the relationship that I was in matured me a lot in a lot of different ways, making me more prepared for a future relationship of the person that I want to be with. If you're out there, don't come knock on my door. I'm not ready for you yet. Okay, great, thanks. But yeah, so just maturing a lot and having a lot more responsibilities on my plate, like having I have a brand new car now. So my car, having to pay the car now. Oh god, and insurance. Oh man, they be looking at us. Woohoo! I actually got a story time actually about the time I got in a car accident. That's why my insurance is so fucking high right now. So we'll talk about that another time. You know, when I'm ready to like expose my hand. Right? Trying to figure out, you know, what is acceptable to me and what's not, especially being a young woman. The relationship I was in was literally like the most serious relationship I've been in. It taught me a lot of things about myself and about the things that I expect, and also the things that I don't want in my relationship. It taught me about having a lot of self-love, and it taught me how to like deal with situations that are really hard to deal with, especially being in a relationship or just being like an individual sometimes. All this stuff comes into play, and if it just doesn't work out right, like it's just not gonna work. Like, and you know me, I'm into, you guys know me, I'm into astrology. So most of the time I'm like checking on my shit just to be like, we weren't even, it's so funny because me and my ex, we weren't even compatible. Like, he's a fucking Capricorn, I'm a Sagittarius. Now, y'all know, if you're into astrology, you know those things do not go together. Like, they didn't go together at all. I don't even know how he lasted a fucking year. But I thank God for him. I thought he was gonna be my baby daddy at one point. I was just like, you ready to have a baby with me? But that was just not in my cards. You know, he just wasn't the person I'm supposed to be with. I'm not the person he's supposed to be with. Hey, I don't have a problem with that. You know what I mean? It just taught me what type of respect I want to receive in my next relationship, because, you know, things are just a little bit different. Definitely, and I look forward to my next relationship just for a lot of that self-respect and the self-love aspect of it. I learned a lot about myself. I learned I have anxiety. I do, and it's so funny because I'm extroverted as fuck. I love being around people. I love doing this. I love doing that. But the only thing is, like, I noticed that if I'm not around people that I don't like, if I'm not around people that I know, I can't go out. Like, I don't want to. I want to stay in my house. I'm like, you want me to be around these people that I don't know? What about if one of them touches me? Like, on accident? Like, no, I'm not doing that. And that just was kind of like one of my things. I'm just kind of like, but yeah, I just have a lot of shit that I want to do and accomplish. And that's kind of like a gist of like what I've been doing. Oh god, I'm on my period, guys, so like my body is just like not having it today. I'm just like, all right, cool, great. Period poop. I think that's it. That's all I want to say to you guys. So I hope you guys have a great night and see you soon.
I know that you're drunk. Yeah. Tell me